Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Krystal application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Play Store. Soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in Krystal and search. Look for this application from KYRD International Limited and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your Android. Krystal is a mobile application focused on liquidity provisioning on decentralized exchanges that offers tools for managing DeFi and crypto assets across 50 plus blockchains, token approvals, transfers, and multi-sig function. The application also functions as a Web3 wallet, allowing users to interact with various decentralized applications. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button and you have now successfully downloaded the Krystal wallet application on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.